All right. Well, I don't know where our other guys are.
John's joining. It's just taking him a bit,
Okay, their internet might be having issues.
but I don't know where Morgan is.
Are you feeling better, Allison?
No,
I'm sorry.
I was telling Tyvin, I went to the doctor yesterday because my medicine, I've been on just like cold medicine for a week and it's just getting worse.
So do you have Costco close to you? You have a health food store? Okay, we have the internet. It might take a couple days, but Manuka honey. Have you ever tried Manuka honey? So I just bought some at Costco. So I'm an oil girl, so I do like essential oils and natural healing stuff, all of that. So
We've
do you
got eucalyptus and stuff like that at night to try and clear my airways. So
doTERRA's Breathe is really good. They make a stick that you can rub on your chest, and that is really, really good. But Manuka honey only grows in New Zealand, well, they don't grow honey, but the plant, the Manuka plant, is from New Zealand. And so the bees pollinate the Manuka and make Manuka honey. And Manuka honey is like 1,000 times stronger than tea tree oil. And it's really super good for respiratory issues. So if you can get your hands on some Manuka honey, they just started selling it at Costco. It's kind of expensive. It was like $32 for a little jar, but it's mixing it in some tea, some like peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is really good too. You even have peppermint. Well, I wouldn't ingest anything that's not like, don't buy at the grocery store oil, but peppermint tea is awesome. That'll clear out your respiratory.
I promise. I'm just like, well, I was telling Tyvin, he had me go and get another COVID test to make sure, and then they're treating me for bronchitis because he says
they're giving you
like
some kind of an expectorant and antibiotic.
Z-Pack.
Oh,
and
hello,
inhaler.
yeast infection. An inhaler too. Wow.
I had a sinus infection 3 weeks ago. Finished my antibiotic for that about 10 days ago.
And then see the strong bugs that didn't die now came back and they're causing problems. Antibiotics are so hard on your system too. And so anything you can do that's more natural, but go online and read about Manuka honey, because your husband might be interested in it too, or he's doing like medical stuff. Because there's some double-blind studies and things that they've done, and they actually say it treats kids that have cystic fibrosis. They use Manuka honey because it breaks up the mucus. And there's something about that plant, and it's only like, we couldn't even get Manuka oil because it's only available in New Zealand. And then they released like a limited edition of it here. So I bought a few bottles of it, but the honey is more like you can mix it and stuff, and you can just put it in some hot water and drink it, or, but really good. It's like an antibiotic.
Well, we grew up organic honey, so not the one that's highly processed, but organic honey and lemon and hot water, as hot as you can stand it, and that's what you would drink to try and get rid of it. Yeah. Ironically, my cousin lived in Beijing for about a decade, and about 15 years ago she said, you boil Coca-Cola and ginger and drink that as hot as you can stand it. And that's something too. I don't do that if I've got a cough, but if my throat just really hurts. Clove
oil will do that too for my throat drops. I have clove in them, and clove numbs. But we drank Coke and clove when we were in Kenya to kill bugs, like when you eat. So every morning we did a shot of a capful of Coke with a drop of clove oil in it, and it kills the bugs and stuff in food and bacteria and stuff to keep from getting sick. When we travel a lot, that's what we do. Coke and clove. Clove kills a lot of stuff. And it's really good for your teeth. Anyway, totally not about math. Sorry, guys. We're gonna get Allison better though. She's gonna feel better. Yeah.
Hope so.
I guess we can get started on the quiz.
Tyven's going to take over today for me.
Oh, good. You don't have to talk so much.
All right, just question 1 and 2. Oh, there's a T distribution template. I was not aware of that.
Is that the same as the Excel spreadsheet?
Huh.
Oh,
Nope. But it looks
that
similar.
wasn't in the lesson, was it?
Briefly, I think.
I just saw the thing on the Excel.
All right, question 3. In previous lessons, we had assumed the population standard deviation was known. In this lesson, we are making a different assumption about sigma. What has changed?
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Unknown.
All right, for the next 2 questions, let the null and alternative hypothesis be those values. Assume that the population standard deviation is not known. Okay, so they just give us a bunch of statistics right there. Is sigma known? No. Says it right there. Okay, question 5. What is the value of t?
So T.
There was a formula that they gave us in the homework.
And when, yeah, I have the formula, but isn't that the one we did in the Excel thing?
You can do it in Excel, yeah.
Oh, I guess I can do it because they gave us everything. So.
Sorry, can you bring back the question, please?
Yeah.
Just need to take some numbers.
Okay. So this is all the data right here.
So I got 1.5.
Yes, I got 2.
Okay. I have not finished yet. But
1.5.
that's the value of t.
Correct.
Great. All right, use the following values which were pulled from the data file body temp for the next 5 questions. Copy and paste them into your software. Use the null hypothesis, an alternative hypothesis, and level of significance.
It's less than.
Yep. So just using this data.
Oh, wait, level significant. Okay.
Yep.
So they changed. Yeah, you can't. Can you guys copy and paste off of your quizzes and stuff like that?
Yes.
Because I wasn't able to, it won't let me like click on it and highlight it to put it into the spreadsheet. When it's in a quiz.
Using a Mac, Cindy?
I'm not.
Okay. I was
Heck
able
no.
to,
You were able to do it?
yeah.
Can you do it, Taven?
Have not tried yet.
Yeah, you can do it. Are you on a Mac?
No, I'm on a Chromebook.
Well, maybe they opened it in a different way so you can do it. I don't know. Maybe I'm just technically challenged.
It's greater than,
Is less than
less.
98.6.
Okay,
0.5. So
so what is X bar? It'd be 98.220. Wait, wrong one.
and X bar is the same as
X bar is gonna be the mean right here.
mm,
Question 7. What is the sample standard deviation?
Is that the 0.922?
4.2.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. 0.922. What is the t-score? Well, that's just gonna be right here. Negative 1.843. Okay, what is the p-value? That's also right there. It's a rather long number. Zero 0.04. Okay, what is the correct decision based on the evidence?
this is where I get fuzzy. It's the wording is just drives me crazy.
Yeah,
Okay, if the p-value is less than the level of significance. So we reject the null hypothesis because it's less than the level of significance, right?
yeah, p-value is less than the level of significance, so we reject. Yep. Okay, following values which are pulled from the data file baby boom for the next 6 questions. These values are the wait time in minutes between births at a hospital. Copy and paste them into Excel. The hospital claims that the average time between births is 40 minutes and plans its resource allocation based on this claim. You want to test their claim. You select the null hypothesis, alternative hypothesis with a level of significance of 0.01. So pretty similar to the last question.
Am I missing where it says what confidence level Or are we just assuming that it's the same?
The confidence level was 0.01,
Well,
or level of significance. Sorry, not confidence level. The level of significance was 0.01. We don't have the confidence level.
I think the confidence level corresponds with level of significance somehow.
They didn't ask for it in the last.
Well, and that's just what I'm wondering, because like we did all of our calculations, I think off of 99%, right?
Yeah, but your confidence interval, they didn't ask for in the last question. It's there.
Yeah.
But
I
like
guess
it's
that's
on
right,
that
never mind.
chart on that one side,
That's right.
like
That's
right
right.
there.
I'm just freaking out for no reason.
No, you're not. You're not freaking out. The confidence level is up there. Yeah, the confidence interval is down below.
Yeah.
See if you can find anywhere in the notes where it says if level of significance influences the confidence level.
So what is the question that I missed that, I guess we're looking for? Do you
Oh.
put it? So down, if you, what is the question? Like where, that's our
What's the
information,
p-value?
Yep,
like, oh, 11. Okay, what's the p-value? Okay.
p-value.
Yeah, so that's right there, right?
Yeah,
0 point.
and it is not equal to.
0.995. And our,
Tyven, sorry.
Yeah,
I'm trying to figure out what I did wrong. My p-value is not 995.
okay.
So I'm trying to figure out, not right now. Not right now. It says that it's disconnected.
What?
I don't know, honey, but I'm not going to worry about it right now. Sorry. When I was entering the information, mine came out 905. So I'm trying to figure out
Okay. Well,
where I went wrong.
first make sure you have all the data from 5 to 25, and then confidence level at 0.95, null hypothesis at 40, and the type of test is not equal to.
Okay, I don't know what I did wrong, but I re-entered the information and now it's right. Sorry.
Great. All right, since the p-value is a lot greater than the level of significance, we fail to reject. Okay, we're going to try another alternative hypothesis. This time you use alternative hypothesis is greater than 40, and you keep, wait, no, less than 40. Sorry, that's confusing. And you keep the same level of significance. Did the p-value increase or decrease? Let's go in here. Say that this is less than 40. P-value changes significantly.
so, yeah.
0.502. Oh, did the p-value increase or decrease? Well, it decreased a lot. And what's decision? Well, that p-value is still
Yeah,
greater
it's
than,
still greater than, so we still fail to reject.
yeah.
See ya. Love you. What do you have left?
Yeah, now construct a 95% confidence interval for the true mean wait time between births at a hospital. I think, wait,
So does that mean equal to?
not sure.
So construct a 95% confidence interval for the true mean. So that's the stuff we just had. So we had our 40 for our mean, right? Yeah.
Mhm.
So would it just be equal to? Or I guess not equal to.
Well, we're just looking for the upper and lower though right now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so it's the same, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
we don't change anything.
So that you don't have to construct anything. It's already been constructed. What did they say
Yeah.
that?
kind of nice.
You just gotta change the confidence interval on that drop down tab. If it's at 99, then it's put on 95.
But they said 95 though, right?
Yeah, but on the Excel spreadsheet, you can change the drop down to 90 to 90%, 95%, and 99%. Just gotta make sure that you're on the correct confidence
Right,
interval.
but I thought the question said 95.
Yes, you're right. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So we don't need to change that then. So 2, 3,
0.5.
mm, we have to round
Remember,
those.
yeah, so that's it to
One
round to
yes.
one place.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Cool. I just missed 4, 5, and 6. I didn't write them down, so. And Morgan's on. Hi, Morgan.
Hello,
No.
I've been trying to connect for a while with the internet and it's been very difficult.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I just got on.
Well, we have the quiz answered if you want to write down the answers.
Do you want me to push submit and see if it's right, Tyven? Because I've got them all entered on my end too.
No, it's all right. I can submit them.
Okay.
What was 6? Sorry, go back to.
Oh, yeah.
98.22.
Any other questions we need?
No.
Okay.
You guys all understand everything this week? Okay. Okay.
Listen,
17 out of 17.
listen,
Sweet.
listen.
What?
Yeah, I needed to go over each one of them for me, please.
Okay.
I think I understand the concepts. It's just that I came in late and okay, 5 now. 6. Let me check.
That negative on 8 is so tiny.
Yeah. This quiz wasn't too bad. We just had to think through a couple things.
Yeah.
I'm starting to see what the TA meant about most of it from here on out is Excel. You just have to understand which one you're using and where you're pulling the information.
And we reject the null hypothesis, right? Okay. Go down to 11 and 12, please.
So I have a question for you guys while Morgan's looking. Excuse me. John has been trying to get on like 3 or 4 times today, and it's got on and kicked him off. Are you guys okay with me including him as an attendee? Because he has made the effort today to try.
Yeah.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure. I'm like, it's not like he wasn't getting on. I just want to make sure you guys were okay with that.
$15 and $16.
I don't know if this excites the rest of y'all. After next week, we're halfway through the class. Just going through my calendar. 7. So when we finish out next week, we're halfway through the semester. I don't know. For me, that was exciting. I put together, I don't know if y'all can see that, little calendars with all of my assignments, and I mark it off, and then I have the weeks, and it was exciting to see that. I thought you said you were full, and that's why your tummy hurt.
No, I'm still hungry.
Are you a bottomless pit?
Please come in.
Yes, you can have it.
Apple.
Wash.
14, we're going to reject as well, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, got them all?
My babies.
My baby's sitting at my feet. My fur baby.
My babies. Mhm.
Okay. Does anyone have any other questions before we close out?
I think I'm good.
Okay. Well, have a good rest of your week, and I guess we'll see y'all on Monday.
Yeah, I
Good
hope you
Monday.
feel better. And I
Yes.
Anthony, you too. I hope things go better for you.
Yeah, no, we're good. I mean, as no our kids get sick or vomit or have diarrhea or smoke alarms go off or, I think we're good. So
Wow.
open up.
All right. Bye, guys.
All right.
Guys.
See ya.
Thank you.